friends. Oh no,
international clear for the Posse inside.
no. When the music up some more, here I come. Enough the place and no 45. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow the Posse all the days of their life. And me no sound, no ways to be with nothing can sound. There come the day, really Posse will liquor you down.
Ladies and gentlemen, your show to the best. Put the Posse in the class by itself. Yes, we'd like to say a special yes to our Pretty Posse Massive, Pretty Posse crew, the Pretty Posse girls, and the boys who watch the girls who come to listen to this great, fantastic sound. Pretty Posse in the class by itself. Well, big up Patrick, and big up Carl, and this is Johnny Alburn from the Kids. And here it is, soundboy. I don't want no ice cream sound, it's too soft for me. Pretty Posse, you rule every time. I don't want no zinc band sound, it's too soft, you see. Them spun they a fool. I want a sound that can kill a little sick man in a sound class. And that is why I say my sound is the nicest and the sweetest sound. Kill a sound, around for kill sound. You know Pretty Posse is the roughest and the toughest sound. Reflex sound.
Posse check in.
I heard you planning to attack me, sound boy. But you woke up in a hardcore Pretty Posse. Whoa, 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 whoa. Are you planning to attack me, sound boy? But you woke up in a hardcore Pretty Posse. Look it. The sound is as strong as the specials they play. Each one's his brother's keeper. The brothers ever. Together let a pretty come shining through.
To keep first the kingdom of Jah and all his righteousness shall be added to you and you.
Posse check in, you know?
Rastafari and I listen last to the first. Pretty Posse, God bless if you have a tune like this in here. Sing, last year. We're gonna keep them talking. Oh, well now. Oh, yes. Oh, upon the world, Jesus, I'll be thy name, yes. Thy kingdom come, Rasta. There will be no judge.
Our courtesy the late great Mr. Garnet Silk.
Not gonna suffer. Oh, well now. Let them talk, keep them talking. We're gonna keep them talking.
Keep them talking.
We're gonna keep them.
In the meantime,
None of mercy. Well, Pretty Posse gonna kill some boy. You disrespect and take my gun for toy. None of mercy. I gotta big up Patrick and Billy and Carl. One by one, somebody I go fall. None of mercy. This is Mr. Merciless speaking. Louis Culture dealing with and kill some boy from early man, yeah?
Yeah, Merciless from right like a Glock when every turn them back looks wrong. Some leaky deal is up. Tell fabulous, dance up. Yeah, what you see? Listen to me.
early check in.
When to the life gone complete.
You're gonna play some 5 to 5, you know?
Yeah.
Nice up the people there.
Pretty Posse been through hills and valley. I survive out of the old gangster alley. No gunshot, Billy skip and dolly. When I'm think we dead back in the jungle in me rally. Me want them up, pop it up. More than fun when you rip up. Oh, you get your blood shine just like that.
Angels and boy left in a gully. Pretty Posse kill for no perplex them gun Elsa City and a nation we go down. You perplex the flex and make me get vexed. Billy, all boy shirt get catch. Sure, disrespect can make me get wild. Gun inna me and nothing me going spoil. Dusty killers on we walk all 100 mile. Now spare your mother, your daddy know you toil. All of them a go pon the dead man oil. Gunshot them get that inna stuck on file. Both pretty Posse defend it with we coil. When the judge see we face him no stop smile.
We'll call this a check-in, you know?
Know me from me boss. Pretty Posse kill people, no perplex them gun else your mother. And your father blood going to run. You perplex, no flex, and make me get vexed. Jesus Christ come from Nazareth.
Like I said, I want to big up all the people that stand with us in the rain and enjoy this day. Because we don't get this a lot in New York City. Sound system, string up, vinyl style. You know what I'm saying? Back to the roots. Back to how we know how we used to do dancehall. Back to the flavor of the business. So right now, like I said, big respect to VP Records for putting this on. And like I said, it's all about support music, buy music. It's all about one love, and it's all about circulation. So right now, back to the music. Now we tell us some song now.
Watch it no start. We are this and enough for the girl picking it and the sexy body girl them fit. Rock up and me and this and daddy for the girl picking it and the sexy body girl them fit. Rock up and me watch it. Cause if a Jackie, she a feel run the lefty boy. And if a Susie, she a feel run the lefty boy. If a Dorothy, she